Hi, Ted Dog. Nope. No, 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 no. Stop, stop, stop. Kibbles. What's Kibbles? Hi, Kibbles. Oh, Kibbles, I love you. Oh, Kibbles. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, Lulu. Where's Lulu? Ah! What are you doing? Why? Stop. Oh, Lulu. Oh, Lulu wants to play. Gorgeous. Oh, so gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Stop. Stop. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you doing? What happened, Lou? What's going on, Lou? What's going on, Lou? The face. The Kiba face. The face. Let's see your face, Kiba. Oh, why? Oh. Let me go this way now. Come here, Lulu. No. This is my purse. Oh, Lulu. Oh, Lulu. What are you? What are you doing here, Lulu? Oh, oh, nope. I'm gonna get it. Got it. I got it. Got it, dude. What are you? He doesn't know what to do. Look at. He's gonna fetch. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ugh. Oh no! Where did you go? Why aren't you over there? What's going on? Oh yeah, this way. Oh Lulu. Oh Lulu. He's being weirdo. He's being weirdo. I need. Oh, trick dog. Trick dog. Okay. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, you must merge. Oh, he must merge. We must merge together. I love him. Oh, he's not liking the Lulu stepping all over. Oh, Lulu, are you jealous? Oh, trick dogs. Oh, why, Kiba? Why? Why you betray me? Oh, Kibas. This dog is such a titty. Oh, just a titty. Oh, what are you doing? Why are you doing this? Oh, hi, Lulu. Oh, no, you cannot have. I got your toy. I got your toy. Ah! Come here. I cannot play tug of war if you take the toy. Cannot play tug of war if he takes the toy. Okay, Buzz. Oh, baby, joy. Oh, you old man. Do your hips hurt? Oh, your hips are so hurt. Oh, they're so hurt. Is that why I got the awesome beds? Did I get the awesome beds for you? Did I get the Serta bed? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I got the Serta bed for him. Oh, just the old man's. Oh, the old man's. I love the old man's. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, the original corpse. This is what Lucian does. Will you stop? You're gonna rip this in half and then get the fuzz everywhere. I have to clean this fuzz every time. Trick dog, why are you looking like that? Oh, Lulu. Oh. Oof. Ow! That was right in my ear. Oh! I am strong too. Where'd you go? No, 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 no. Well, oh! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He comes this way. No, he comes this way. I don't know which way he's going. Oh, Lulu. Oh, goodness. Oh, the baby. He loves to lay next to Mama. Oh, I love you, baby. Oh, I love you, baby. Oh, oh, good boys. Oh, good boys. I love you. I love you. Is that the keepers? Is that the babies? That's the babies. Oh, the babies. It's okay, baby. He's so old, man. Look at the old man keepers. I'm going to be so sad when he dies. Do you have the arthritis? Do your hips hurt? Yes, they do. Oh, the hip dysplasia. Look at the sad corgi. Yeah, right. He's not sad. He's all happy I'm touching him. He's like, oh, thank you for touching me. Thank you, Mama, for showing me attention. I love you. I love you. Yes, I do. Oh, I love you. Did you guys get your shots? You got your shots? Yes, you did last week. Last week on Tuesday. Yes, you did. I love you. Did Mama get the shot for free? Yes, she did, because she's secretary board member at her homeowner association. So big title. So productive community member. Also oversee all the budget. Oh, writing those minutes on the computer. Do I write the meeting minutes? Mama writes the meeting minutes. She does. She likes being involved. She likes being a productive member. Really? Get your face out of my crotch. What the heck? What the heck? I know you. I know you. You face it. He is a face it. He is the old man's. Under the old man's. What do you want? What do you want from my life? I feed you, I bathe you, I clothe you. I do clothe you. Like, seriously. I do. Clothing. They have clothing. They have clothing. Shame. I love you. I'll give you ice cube treats. And I'll give you vitamins. And I'll give you probiotics. And the yummy anti-shed stuff for your coat to make it nice and healthy. Look at this nice and healthy coat. Trick dog, can you show off your coat, please? Oh, look at this pretty coat. Oh, look at this pretty corgi. Are you rolling? And he is presenting. This is the pretty corgi. So pretty. So pretty. And this is the one ear flop blue. One ear flop blue. Wah, 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 wah. Why are you looking? Do you need some? Play with your toy. Play with your toy. What do you want for me? I'm here. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. That is pretty much our time for today. Actually, tonight. I love you, babies. Oh, this is a... Say bye, Trig. Bye. Trigger says bye. He says, see, bye. And then Kiba says bye. Kiba. Oh, I said bye-bye. He says bye with his ear. Bye-bye. And then Lou doesn't even care. He's just clueless over there. Okay, bye. No, I love you. Big ol'. Big ol'. It's big. Okay.